This is what happens when you care too much about animals. You find a little baby bird in the middle of the intersection, middle of the highway, Spring Ridge Road here. Oh, here's his mom. And now we're about to give him back to his mom and dad. Anyway, there they are. There's your mom and dad. Here you go, baby. You gotta stay out of the road next time, homie. Hey, there comes your mom and dad. There they come. You gotta stay out of the road, homie. See if I can find mom and dad right here. They're right here somewhere. Y'all might not believe me, but they're coming. I saw them. So, peace.